We dedicate this song to those who feel like giving up, who feel tired of holding on to the truth of God. Jesus said in John 14 verse 1, He said, do not let your heart be troubled. Trust in God and trust also in me. You know what? Let's do it together. Novio. Go. Jesus has won for us. Come on, let's lift up the flag of victory. Bending to bubu. Telling you right now, you can't give up. Hold on till I come again. Come on, you just tell him, Jesus, help me to hold on. Grant me the grace. 2 Corinthians chapter 4 verse 8 and 9 says that we are surrounded by so many troubles, but we're not defeated. We are persecuted, but Jesus is with us. God has not left us. We are not destroyed. No matter what we go through, we know we have help. Oh, yes, He has gone ahead of us. He's been through what we're going through now. He's walked what we're walking now. Oh, yes, for the grace to hold on. Hebrews 10:35, it says, do not cast away your confidence, which you had at first, which had great reward for you. It's true that the economies of the world are decaying around us, but just tell somebody, hold on. Tell somebody, hold on. Hold on to Jesus.